This model, we'll kind of reference it as staircase on the end. So it's not on the side of the house, it's still coming off the back, but it's going to be on the corner of the house. And with this model, again, same case, you're going to have a variety of upstairs layouts, whether it's a 2-bed 1-bath, a 3-bed 1-bath, or a 3-bed 2-bath. There's some variety there. Some will have a secondary sliding door and the staircase. There's all kinds of variety, but as a quick reference, just wanted to kind of show you what that looks like. And this one, obviously, a bit of a smaller kitchen, but it works. But what we're really looking at here is, for this setup, you're going to put a door here that can fully lock off, like we've mentioned on others. And through here, the issue you're going to run into is that getting to the garage, if the upstairs has access to the garage, there's kind of a shared space here you have to deal with. So generally we say if you want to have the upstairs unit have the garage, they can go outside to get to it, because otherwise it's cutting through. Okay, so for a quick reference of the outside entrance situation here, obviously that's going to be the door that you'd go in for the basement. And then as far as the backyard space, you can choose what you want to do there, if you're splitting it or whatever. But coming around the side here, it's as simple as their entrance is, you come around the side from the driveway. This one you conveniently have parking, but you come around the back, go in the back of the house. From the street, it's not obvious you even have something going on, so most of the neighbors aren't even aware something's different. So as a quick reference then, over here on the left side, this is the kitchen. This is where we have a locked off door. Behind me, this is the entrance for the basement. And then over here we have the garage. So you can see how it'd be kind of a mixture of being able to split everything up here. So generally it is just keep this back door open for the basement. And then if whatever you want to do with the garage, you can figure out, but generally most people keep this locked off. So that just becomes the hallway for the basement. Again, a lot of these, there's going to be similarities. The layout will slightly change in terms of the size and bedroom count. But usually the first thing you're going to have, right when you come down the stairs, if you did a U-turn, sometimes there's a door here, sometimes there's the door here. But generally, this space is going to be what turns into your kitchen area. It's usually the laundry room in the original layout. So we take this, and this one, this whole wall doesn't need to exist. It's not actually doing anything. You have plenty of room to add your kitchen. And actually, this is not common, but this one actually has the furnace and water heater behind it. But there's plenty of space to make a little galley kitchen of sorts. That wall can usually be removed in some manner with how these are built. So you have something well set up to add a kitchen space. And again, with this one, you're gonna have that. You're gonna usually have a 2-bed 1-bath basement. It's rare that these have a 3-bed in the basement, even if the upstairs has one, just because you have utilities and everything down here. But you're gonna have a full bath or a 3/4. Which this one is a 3/4 with a shower. You have the 2 bedrooms and a pretty easy setup. Just needs some egress, but honestly, you can tell like this is the lowest ceiling height just because we're underneath all the ducting for the furnace. Right here, we're almost at 8 feet. So like it can actually feel like a nice little apartment down here.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.